Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious baby cucumber pickles. First, gather your ingredients, including about 2 pounds of fresh, crisp baby cucumbers. Next, prepare your pickling brine by combining vinegar, water, and pickling salt. Finally, ensure your canning jars and lids are thoroughly sterilized for safe and successful preservation. This simple process will yield fantastic homemade pickles. Now let's get those cucumbers ready. Wash them thoroughly and trim off both ends, especially the blossom end, which can make pickles soft. For the brine, combine 2 cups of white vinegar, 2 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of pickling salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, adding your favorite pickling spices like fresh dill, garlic cloves, and mustard seeds for amazing flavor. With your brine hot, it's time to pack the jars. Tightly arrange the trimmed cucumbers into your clean, hot pint-sized canning jars. Carefully pour the hot pickling brine over the cucumbers, making sure to leave about 1/2 inch of space from the top. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Then wipe the jar rims clean before securing new lids and rings finger tight. Finally, for safe preservation, process your pint jars in a boiling water bath canner for 10 minutes. Once processed, carefully remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed on a towel for 24 hours. After cooling, check that all lids are sealed. They should not flex when pressed. Store your perfectly sealed homemade baby cucumber pickles in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year of delicious enjoyment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.